What's up, guys? Welcome back to Rawstocks. This is Rustic, and today I'm going to teach you about order block entry. Specifically, we're going to be doing a look back tool using TradingView, and we're going to be looking at the ES or futures contracts in this case, but the same applies no matter what. So in the chart, you're already going to see that I have pre-labeled or pre-marked off an order block that is going to appear at some point in time. When you're live trading this, you need to be able to put your own order blocks out because sometimes the Smart Money Concepts indicator is slow to repaint or paint the order blocks as far as when they are created. So order blocks are found in the last down closed or up closed candle before a trend reverses. So in this case here, you see where there is an order block painted. It is a down closed candle before the trend reverses, but we would not know the trend reverses until the price over here gives us a change of character, at which point this order block would be painted, right? And so what we're going to look at is we're going to look at as price you'll see starts to trade down. It will set an order block here, and I'm going to show you how to trade that if you're using order block entries to take trades, okay? And the nice thing about order block entries is they are very low risk trade where it has very clear parameters on where to cut the trade if it goes south. So without further ado, let's jump into it. I might pause the video so I can explain some things. Right out of the gate, I want to show you that RSI is overbought right here at the current price. Okay, and so we are anticipating that price might see a reversal based on this overbought reading. So let's go ahead, we'll put it on 1x speed to start. Okay, and let's go. Okay, so we do see that RSI was overbought. We do see prices starting to trade down, right? It starts to trade down further. We are targeting this previous day low here. There is an order block here, but because liquidity rests in this previous day low, we can anticipate that that's where we're going to target. So we watch price developing, it's starting to sell off, right? And what you are going to see is there is going to be a small reaction in this order block where we know that there's been previous long entries. Okay, price will come back down. We'll test this order block, give us a fair value gap, and it did have a reaction right there, right? So we knew there were buyers there. There was a short scalp there, but price starts to come down even further, right? And it does take out that order block as it comes down, and it targets that previous day low that we discussed, right? And so I will pause right there. You can see that in that wick, we did take the previous day low from the previous day. Now it's giving us a new session low. Okay, so let's go ahead and restart the video. Okay, and we're going to be looking to enter our contract. Okay, as we see an order block set, right here was the order block. We're going to look for price to trade back down into that order block, and then we're going to take our entry. So let's just wait and see if we get it, and you'd be following this in real time. Okay, we enter inside the order block. Okay, our stop loss would be below the low, below the previous low. Price never hits it. Okay, we trade outside of the order block. We start seeing some indicators that there might be some bullish activity if we break this high, right? What we're ultimately targeting is this previous high back up in that order block. Okay. We can see price kind of chopping around. We see some indicators again of bullish activity with the bullish fair value gap. It does get closed. Okay, another bullish fair value gap. Leaves it open. Okay, closes it there. We're really just chopping around at this point, but we're watching for price to deliver back up into the order block that we're targeting at a previous high because we already took the previous day low, so we're anticipating we're going to see a run on liquidity. Okay, so we have some more bullish indicators of fair value gaps, right? And let's see if price delivers into the previous day high or the previous high that has the order block above, and that's where we'll take our exit. Okay, we're there. We took our exit. That's a perfectly executed trade. Order block set, right? We had a bearish block here. We had a RSI divergence, okay, where we were setting higher low, lower low, right? Then we had a lower low, higher low on the RSI. Came down. We set a order block. We traded up. right? So we're going to take that bearish block right there in that 1 minute candle. That's going to be our order block, right? As price is trading live, we're putting this order block here. Okay, and as price trades back down, we take the entry inside the order block. Okay, our stop loss would be right below where the order block low is. In this case, it's a long, so price right below where the order block low is. Okay, we enter inside the order block, then we target buy side liquidity that sets in this order block above. Okay, perfectly executed trade. There was a lot of chop in there, right? But we know our stop loss is down here. As the trade starts to go in profit, you can certainly move your stop loss up. Where you move that, that's entirely up to you. You could move it to this wick here, you could move it to this wick here, right? And never actually hit any of these sell side targets. And so you could continue to move it up to maximize or to ensure that you don't end up letting your trade go negative. But ultimately, price ran exactly where we thought it would run to, and that's in a previous high, because we already took the previous low when we traded down here, which was a daily low that we were targeting. Right? So there's an example of how you use order blocks using smart money concepts, using TradingView, and this was a replay tool to show you how to do those strategies. All right, thank you guys for tuning in. I hope this content has been helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.